Installing your AT&T self-install kit has never been easier with the AT&T setup like this. You go ahead and plug in your fiber line into the jumper. Make sure your power is connected to the gateway, and you should have a green blinking light once it's all run and set up properly. And this is what it looks like when you have a wall mount. All right, once it's activated, go ahead and whatever cable you have, bend it up. Do not give it 90, but just bend it nicely and tuck it behind the gateway along with the power for kind of cable management. This is usually about 6 feet in the air, so you have to get a step stool. You just don't want those wires dangling on top of your head. Other than that, this is the way the setup is. You guys have a blessed day, and thank you for watching. Have a good one.